Dr. Martin here. I'm going to show you how to do the bird dog exercise today. It's easiest to do this on the floor when you're at home. Today, just for demonstration, I'm going to do it on my table. So you're going to get on your hands and knees. Your hands are directly underneath your shoulders and your knees are directly underneath your hips. We're going to get a nice stable belly. So breathe out into your belly. Hold that pressure outwards and then we're ready to go. So once you get that set, then we're going to move an arm. And if that feels good, then we can move a leg. And if we're really feeling up to it, we can do opposite arm, opposite leg. What I don't want to see here is when we do an arm or a leg movement that we're getting a lot of spine motion, or that we have to really kind of arch one way or the other to balance ourselves. This should be nice, stable, straight, locked in core, and then we go to move. Not a whole lot of shifting or arching going on when we're doing this exercise. That's it.